Oh, do it. Do it. I wish I had done it years ago. Oh, they made an amazing transformation outside in my garden. I had made the drive pretty much myself. The car had to be parked out near the path, but now with the new drive, I can bring it right up to the door and unpack everything straight into the house. They seemed so honest. They started on the Thursday and was done by the Monday. You wouldn't even know they were here. They were so nice and explained everything, and you never felt like you were asking stupid questions or getting in the way. I never actually really went to anybody else. I just went straight to them, probably because my neighbour had it. And I could see what a good quality it was. They've had it a couple of years now and it still looks brand new. Oh, do it. Do it. I wish I had done it years ago. They're coming from all over the place, but they're there exactly when they say they're going to be and finished when they say they're going to be, which I think is important as well. You didn't have to pay anything up front, which I wasn't sure was right, but it was right enough. And there was no pushy sales, you know, there was no pressure. It didn't take long for them to sort it into something magical, to be honest. The amount of comments I've had, even people at work have actually driven up just to look at the drive. Well done, guys, and thank you very much for a great job.